I've started turning on this Rest Nature white noise machine in my kitchen because it is so calming. I think it's going to be the perfect Christmas gift for anybody this year. First of all, you don't have to know anybody's size when you want to give something like this. And you can use it just normally throughout your day. A lot of people use them to fall asleep. I know a lot of my young friends at church use these for their babies to fall asleep. It's about the size of an egg or a fat marshmallow. It's under $9. Can't beat that either. I've linked them below if y'all want to grab some for yourself. Oh, it has 16 different sounds between all the nature sounds and the white and pink and brown noise. There's a couple of lullabies on there too. Check them out. It's really cool. Anybody on your gift list is going to like this.